Hi friends, from Renu's Fashion. We have changed our shop from NRS Road Quarter to Old Post Office Road number 36 New Colony. We have bought new bindis today. Please check the collections and come to our shop.